Hey everyone, I'm going to take some time to go over the TEKS for Unit 4, clarify our thinking and streamline what we want our students to understand. So there's only three TEKS in Unit 4, two of them supporting and one of them readiness. The first supporting TEK is identify a number, its opposite, and its absolute value. So it's been tested in the past by given a number of options here, and you're given the actual number and asked what one of these must be true. And then another one, oh, that's the only time it has been tested, I'm sorry. So our next TEK is 3C. Represent integer operations with concrete models and connect the actions with models to standardized algorithms. This TEK we are going to be spending a lot of time on, and we have been told by the 7th grade teachers that their understanding of integers this year is significantly better than in the past because of the way we chose to introduce integers this year. So we're going to be teaching them how to use the concrete model of the number line, and we're also going to be using the counters. So the way this has been tested in the past is on a number line, but then we will also be using the counters too. So our last TEK that we're going to be going over this unit: add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers fluently. So it has been tested in the past with multiple operations within one problem. So note there's a multiplication here and an addition. They do have to know their order of operations. Here, a sum. So they do have to add multiple things, though, not just two. Here, what is expression has the value of -22. Again, order of operations and multiple operations. 2016 question, what's the team score? It's golf scores, so adding multiple numbers, multiple operations, and then adding multiple numbers. So when we're expecting our kids to know is to do multiple operations with multiple integers all in one problem. That's it for this video. Thank you.